Hey human,
What's up, chubby cat?
I heard you taught Chu how to draw a line chart comparing target and value in Excel a few days ago. By the way, can that chart be made in Power BI?
Of course! Piece of cake. Just watch the next video to learn how. Let's start with a very simple data table. First, I will create a separate table to store the measures that we will create later. This is actually very useful. Next, I will calculate the basic measures, revenues and target. Then, we'll calculate the variance measure by subtracting revenues from target. Next, let's create the chart. I'll drag the year value into the x-axis and drag both revenues and target into the y-axis. First, we need to format this chart to make it clearer and easier to read. I'll remove the legend as it's unnecessary. For the y-axis, I'll also remove the value and title. For the x-axis, I'll format the values to be larger and clearer, and remove the title since just looking at the values tells us what the y-axis represents. Next, we'll format the lines. I like to choose a dark blue color for revenues and a bold yellow for target with a dashed line style. Then we'll add series labels and format the text colors to match the corresponding lines. Similarly, we'll do the same with data labels, using colors that match the lines. Now here's the most important part. We'll open the Add Further Analyses to Your Visual tab, expand the Error Bars section, select the Revenues series, and enable the options. For the upper bound, we'll choose the variance measure, and for the relationship, we'll select Relative. You'll see the bars being drawn, but we don't need them, so I'll turn them off and instead enable the error band. That's it. So, what do you think? Got it?
Super easy. Can you convert all your Excel charts into Power BI charts?
Absolutely. I'm already working on a series about data visualization using Power BI. What do you guys think? Interested? If so, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on the next video. And if you found this video helpful, please share, like, and comment so YouTube can show it to others who might need it. Thanks, everyone. Have a nice day.